You can find the success of our country in its cities, but the story of its struggles are in the villages. In the village of Kusupur, people travel miles with their load comprising of heavy equipment, fruits, grains on their carts. A leaking roof is no stranger to the inhabitants of this home and homes of many around them. For these villages, life is a daily challenge, one that's not just about earning a livelihood, but making a life of it. This reality holds true from the southern tip of the country to the northern hinterlands, where farmers spend 10 to 12 hours a day working on fields from daybreak to dusk.
Rural India is full of opportunity, and more often than not, they are only their hard work to help them get to their aspirations. What they require is someone who believes in their dreams and, more importantly, willing to partner them in their journey to prosperity. And this is where Mahindra Finance comes in. We design unique customized loan solutions that enable them to transform not only their lives but also of the local community. Our innovative loan products meet their various needs for transportation, farming and housing requirements.
I used to ride three-wheelers in the city when my father's sudden demise forced me to come back. With zero understanding of farming, I was forced to start from scratch. I took up a loan for a three-wheeler from Mahindra Finance and started my journey, convincing the villagers to switch to motorized vehicles for their travel. It was very difficult, but now my rickshaws are the lifeline of the village.
Customers want a lot of support, but we didn't know what they exactly wanted, what their challenges were. We also didn't know what the size of the opportunity was. But as financial services sector, one thing that we knew, create a good loan product, give them a good insurance product, give them a good investment product. And I think we believe we would have done it all. And that's exactly what we did. When we reached out there, we created product and services that suited them the most. We know for sure success of that customer is going to be success of this organization.
With Perumal's help, I contacted the people at Mahindra Finance and they have helped me realize my dreams through a business loan for my shop. Later, with their car loan, I was finally able to get a car for the usage of my family and to refill supplies at my shop as well.
We understand rural India. The reason is we employ from local colleges and institutes. That has given us a deep understanding of the customer. Our policy of local employment has shown great results from the point of view of the customer as well as the company.
This pickup truck has changed my entire business. We now sell milk to more places than we did earlier on the cycle.
This home loan has not just helped us welcome our son's bride to a better home, it's won us respect in society.
The people at Mahindra Finance trusted me, and now I have a fleet of tractors and a flourishing business, something I didn't imagine I could ever have before.
However big or small our dreams may be, each has a power to change things. One person can touch many lives, empowering a family, a place, a culture. We help one family, one village at a time. To be stronger than we think we are, to work harder than we knew we could, to be bigger than ourselves. At Mahindra Finance, when people succeed, so do we.